Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the inverter control board assembly in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, first open the freezer drawer and pull the base grill forward to remove. Next, use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to rotate the brake feet counterclockwise to raise them. You can now roll the appliance forward. Use the 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws to release the lower rear access panel. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw, securing the inverter control assembly to the mounting bracket. You can use a flathead screwdriver to pry the assembly free of the bracket. Disconnect the wire connector from the compressor motor pins and detach the grounding wire. Pull the assembly out, then disconnect the communication wire connector along with the power wire connector. Unthread the screw to release the grounding wire to fully remove the old assembly. Install the new inverter control board assembly by connecting the power wire connector and the communication wire connector. Secure the grounding wire to the frame with the screw. Attach the remaining grounding wire to the compressor and slide the wire connector onto the compressor motor pins. Position the new assembly on the mounting bracket and thread the screw to secure. Reinstall the access panel. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the front leveling legs until they are in contact with the floor. Replace the base grill by aligning the ends of the grill with the leveling assemblies, then snap the grill into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.